Hi everyone and welcome to ICO Investor, and in today's video we're going to learn about one of the best places around the world to put your cryptos that you already have and gain interest on it. It sounds you will make passive income just on the cryptos that you put there, and while you sleep they will gain interest daily. So make sure to watch till the end in order to learn exactly where you can do that and how you could do that the best way possible. Please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, so first of all, what is BlockFi? So BlockFi is the easiest place that you can buy, sell and earn crypto, and you can sign up and start today. And if you want, you need to click in here to get started. So if you're interested, make sure to click in the link down below to get to BlockFi.com. Now, one of the best things that you can find on BlockFi that you cannot find in a lot of places is that you can actually gain interest and make more money on your crypto. Besides the increased of value that you have, you can actually earn up to 9.5% API, meaning that every year with the BlockFi interest account, which is BIA, and the interest accrues daily and you get paid monthly. So there is no hidden fees, no minimum balance, and no reasons to wait. So let's say that, for example, you want to put some Bitcoin. So let's say that you want to put 100 Bitcoin, okay, and you want to put it for, say, for a year. So you can see that the total crypto earnings you can get up to 0.1 Bitcoin on 100 Bitcoin that you put, okay. So the total USD interest over 1 year is over $4,000. And let's say that if you want to put it for 5 years, so you can gain 0.49, meaning almost half a Bitcoin. It's not that you will get half a Bitcoin of the value it's today, but it's actually on the value that predicted to be in 5 years from now, because you will get the coin Bitcoin and it doesn't relate it to how much it's worth in front of the dollar, which is incredible because it means that when hopefully Bitcoin will increase in value, so your earnings also increase. And if you will do that for 10 years, so you will almost get on 100 Bitcoin that you will get 0.98 Bitcoin, meaning almost a whole Bitcoin you will get if you will put your Bitcoin in the interest account of BlockFi. And also if you will put it for 15 years, you can get almost Bitcoin and a half, which is, as you can see, is value more than $64,000 according to today, meaning that in 15 years that hopefully Bitcoin will increase much more. So your money will be value much more, because it's not, as I said, it's not related to how much it's in dollars, but it's actually in how much in Bitcoin. Or if you can do that with other coins as well, like Litecoin, for example. So let's say that you put, and you're in a low budget, you put 20 Litecoins and you put it in the BlockFi interest account. So after 10 years, you could get 8.2 Litecoin, which is incredible. And also you can get only after 5 years. And as you can see that you get paid monthly, okay? So it's not that you need to wait 20 years until that you will get something, but just from the first month, you will get paid on the money that you put in those interest account, which is incredible in my opinion, because it's absolutely passive income. You just put your money there and that's it. It's just increasing in value. Besides the value that you have, you actually get paid a percentage of the coins that you put in there. So I think that it's incredible and it's a great way to maximize your portfolio. Now, if you want to get started, as I said, you can get by clicking the link down below. They have a lot of different aspects in here. So for example, you can refer a friend and actually you can also make more money from that. So you can read in different resources and you can learn a lot. So if you're a beginner, or in general, even if you're at advanced, you can always come to the resources and learn much more about how to use this platform and in general on crypto. So for example, you can see that there are a lot of details about, let's say, about BlockFi, and in general about taxes, the security of BlockFi, and in general to people also that are very advanced in crypto, but they are using in a new platform for them. So it's a lot of answers that you want. If you want to know, for example, how to log in, or you have problems about login in your different apps or stuff like that, you can do that easily. Now, you don't have on BlockFi to actually get started on your computers. So if you want to do that from your phone, you can do that as well. And also you can get loans here, which is incredible. And also you can do here trading. So for example, you can click in here on learn more. All you need is to click on BlockFi and then to learn more. And you can learn here about why to trade with BlockFi and all the different advantages of you can get by using this incredible tool. This is mainly it. Now, to sign up, all you need is to click on get started. Then you put different emails. So I'll fill in the details and I'll show you in a minute how you continue. And then you need to read the policies and the terms of services, also to learn the SMS policy, and then you click submit. Then after that, you show them that you're a real person and not a robot, for example. And then you need to verify your account on the email. So we'll do that in a minute. And then it looks like this when it's starting to log in. And then you need to choose if you want to make an individual account or a business account. So I will choose individual. Then you choose your country. So you can write wherever you are from. Okay. And then write all your details. Okay. So I will cover all my details. Okay. And then you fill in your phone number. And then you write your birthday, of course. Then you choose your source of funds, for example. So let's say from your job. And then you need to fill, and it doesn't have to be accurate, but roughly how much crypto will you add to your account each month. Okay. And of course that you will be able to change it in the future, hopefully when you will start making more. So let's just choose one of the options. And then roughly how many transactions in the platform, like trading and stuff like that, you think that you will make each month. Let's say if you're a beginner, so you probably won't make more than 100, but choose whatever you like. And will you be making international wire transfer? Okay, so choose if you will or not. I choose not. And then click continue. And then lastly, you need to verify your identity. So your profile is almost complete. So you need just to follow the steps below to verify your identity. Okay, so you begin verifying. And lastly, you will need in the sign up to put your driver license and your passport. That's actually it. So if you want to get started, make sure to click in the link down below to get to BlockFi and actually have the opportunity to make money from your crypto while asleep, whether if you actually put your Bitcoin or whether if you want any other coin that you currently hold, let's say USDT, for example, and you will be able to make your money monthly, but actually your interest will occur daily. So you will be able to see every single day your money value growing just from sitting there, exactly like passive income. And it's even more passive than having a rental property because you don't even need to handle clients. You just put your money there and you will gaining interest every single day. So for summary, if you are interested to get to BlockFi and start making money in different ways, whether if you're using your own crypto, whether it's from trading, whether it's to gain interest on your crypto, or even if it is to use their card and to get up to 3.5% back in Bitcoin every purchase, make sure to go to BlockFi.com by clicking the link down below, and you will be able to enjoy this incredible tool, and you'll be able to do that easily. And of course that if you want to learn, you can click on resources, get to their blog, get to see their BlockFi lives, and to get to their help center if you want to learn anything that you need. And also you can use their app, okay? So you don't have to do that on your computer. So you will be able to do that from anywhere around the world. So thanks again for watching this video. If you find it helpful, make sure to give us a like and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our ICO investor channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.